showing you how to make a cat toy homemade. So let's get started with the materials you will need. A piece of loose string or shoe tie, any size or color, it doesn't matter. This one is approximately 3 feet long. A small hair tie and a ribbon. Start off by getting the ribbon and make sure it has a teased end. Start off by getting that on this end and do a little loop like this. Get your hair tie and wrap it around it. Make sure it is tight and secure. Next, get the end of your string and put it into the hair tie, like this. It should eventually look like this. Then take your string and pull it out a little more till it reaches the hair tie again and wedge it back in there. Do this again and again until this is almost completely tucked in. At the end, it should look like this. Make sure you still have lots of string left so you can drag it without the cat noticing. And that is how to make a homemade, easy peasy cat toy. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!